empty it is here right now. So many employees were banking on a less than busy day here at the Salt Lake International Airport, and all that changed, of course, with the big one, the 5.7 earthquake that hit at 7:10 in the a.m. One of the biggest difficulties that they were dealing with here was a water line that burst over on Concourse D. If many of you have been on social media, maybe that's some of the most glaring video that you've seen. I know it's some of the most destructive that I've seen over the course of the day, with water spilling out onto the terminals while passengers were trying to get through. I've only met Nancy Vollmer today. She's the main spokeswoman for Salt Lake International Airport. She talked about the group effort and, of course, the big sigh of relief once they got that pipe shut down.
I think that was probably the biggest issue we had to address, but our maintenance crew was right on it, and they were able to get that repaired so we could open up again.
Is there any remaining damage from the water?
Just, I think, some wet carpets at this point.
Again, Salt
Westminster Avenue, that's about 1900 South. You can see some major structural damage. A brick wall collapsed off the front. We can see cracking through the chimney, and these folks are going to be in for a very expensive repair. Now, what happens with this insurance? I mean, will homeowners insurance cover? Well, the answer is it depends. There's insurance, earthquake insurance policies that you have to get before an earthquake strikes. Those can be kind of expensive. We spoke with an insurance expert today about what the benefits of those might be. He told me that you can certainly get a earthquake insurance policy, and that would usually be between a 5 and 10% deductible of your home's value. But he says in cases like this, it's worth it.
Worth it? Yeah. Oftentimes, 1 in 28 years, how much they charge? Investment we have as a consumer.
What?
And if the home is gone or is uninhabitable because of severe damage, yeah, all of a sudden it becomes really worth it.
Ini tempat di mana suami aku bekerja yang ada menara itu. Di situ. Jadi ini hari ditutup, Babs.
A big portion of those resources did not need to be sent into the refinery, as they were able to contain it mostly to a containment bin. Officials at Kennecott told us for the majority of this leak. But, you know, being out here for the better part of the day, we saw folks in hazmat crews that were ready to go in. Good news is, in this whole situation, they didn't have to. Guys, back to you.
I have been in earthquakes actually in California before, and but I have never been in an earthquake when our general population is concerned about a pandemic virus. So that is, I think, new for all of us.
Holy crap!
It's an earthquake.
Holy crap!
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. What's happening?
It's an earthquake.
I know.
I'm going to fall in.
Is it still rolling?
We better get live.
Okay. You better call him and grab mine.
Still shaking from the earthquake like 5 minutes ago, maybe 2 minutes ago.
You gotta be kidding me. I know. 2020 is whooping our asses.
I know.
Holy moly.
We're still swaying.
Yeah, we're still swaying. Look at that. What was that? Was that an earthquake?
That was definitely an earthquake. The earth is the second coming is happening this week. Oh, Marcia boy.
1781 is what you call it. Yeah.
Okay, we'll work on that information, but be safe, everyone. All right, thanks, Al.
We're going to go out to Scott McCain, who is in
Here's another one. This one's big. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. You see the shaking going on? You feeling that right now, Scott?
Yeah. I'm just watching Mike behind the camera, and the camera's shaking. So yeah, there's been a few aftershocks, and we were in a different.
This is how unprepared Salt Lake City is for this.
Hey, put your traffic vest on.
Here's your key science. Key science. This cleanup is gonna be the worst fucking thing ever. Honestly. I know it's terrible.
Airport is flooding. Water is just pouring.
What the hell's going on in there? I guess a pipe broke. We got major water leakage and it looks hot. No way.
All right, there we go. See, this is kind of reaction we're looking for. Boom. All in the doorways. Got the little man. Where's he at? There you go. You doing good? Wow.
The rain. I can't believe it. Earthquake.